Hello everyone, I'm Weston's Weatherwise here, and we're going to be starting a new type of video, hopefully every day, and it's going to be a in-depth forecast and your plain wording forecast. This will be your plain wording forecast, so it'll be a bit on the shorter side, but today's might be a little longer because I just explained. So we should go ahead and dive right into things. This is the Storm Prediction Center outlook, and it is on a scale of 1 to 5. And you can tell here is your risk. You have anywhere from a thunderstorm risk to a high risk. So we do have that level 3 out of 5 right here. Enhanced risk of severe weather in Texas and New Mexico, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Colorado, along with a level 2 out of 5 slight risk in the Northeast, and a level 2 out of 5 from Colorado back into places like Kentucky and Tennessee, into Texas. So gonna watch it. We could actually see a few tornadoes today, so we're gonna have to watch that. Main tornado risk comes out here in this brown shaded area, but we cannot rule out a tornado in this green shaded area. So the brown shaded area is the greatest threat though. And with that said, severe wind 15%. So we could see this is a 15% chance of winds exceeding 60 miles an hour. And it's a 5% chance in the brown for it to exceed 60 miles an hour. This is the chance of a hailstone to exceed 1 inch in diameter. Brown's 5%, the yellow is 15, and the red is a 30% chance. And this hatched area is what it's called. It represents the chance of a hailstone exceeding 2 inches in diameter, and it is a 10% chance. Tomorrow we do have another enhanced risk across Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. 2% tornado risk in 2 different areas, 30% non-hatched wind, and a 15% hail risk. Then the day 3, we do have a enhanced risk again, and we can only see this is the probability of severe weather, as it's too far out to get tornado or anything, but we do have a 30% chance of any significant severe weather, or any severe weather right here in this red area, with a 10% chance of significant severe weather. You can tell here on the day 4, we either have a 15% or 30% on these, or we have no risk, as you can tell, but across these areas, no risk. But we'll either have no risk here, a 15 or a 30. We do have a 15% chance. That would technically be a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5. Moving on to today, what you could expect in Oklahoma, Texas, and Colorado. You can expect some storms to go up that may bring a few tornadoes. You can expect very large hail and damaging winds all to occur. So make sure you are staying weather aware in Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, New Mexico, and Colorado. The HRRR, this is just that model. Here in the Northeast, as you can tell, those storms go up. They are not very long-lived, though. So damaging winds and large hail are the main threats in the Northeast. The NAM model, this is going to be for Sunday. You can tell more storms are going to go up around central Oklahoma and push to the south through Texas. Damaging winds, large hail, and a brief tornado or two cannot be ruled out. This is a long-range model, and as you can tell, that storm system is going to occur in Oklahoma and Texas and push off to the east, southeast, and interact with a warm, rich environment here across portions of Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. And this is another long-range model, and it shows that same thing. It pushes off and interacts with that warm, rich air environment. Hope you guys all enjoy today's plain forecast, and if this does well, you can plan on more of these. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe, as we are on the way to 600. Bye.